Hello everyone, my name is Sarah and today we're going to make an indulgent chocolate cake that I know you're going to love. Chocolate cake is a treat that everyone can enjoy. It's rich, decadent, and always puts a smile on your face. Here at RFAQK, we want to make sure you have the best tools to craft your perfect chocolate masterpiece. I hope you get a mouthwater for chocolate after seeing this delicious cake. Be sure to check out RFAQK.com for all your decorating tips. Before jumping into cake baking, let me introduce you to RFAQK 133 cake pan set. In this cake pan set, you will get all these. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. This will help both of us to stay connected. Let's start it! Today we're going to make chocolate sponge, and for that we need to preheat the oven to upper and lower grill both at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Flour, cocoa powder, baking soda. In a large bowl, combine well and put them aside. In a large bowl, beat eggs and sugar until light and fluffy, also light in color. Add vanilla and beat again. And then check the batter if it's okay by tipping the finger to check the soft peaks. Then add oil gradually and do not overmix it. It's time to combine dry ingredients with wet mixture. Scrape the sides and beat everything properly. Prepare RFAQK pans by using oil first and then place the parchment paper. Pour the batter in prepared pans and then tap them twice to ensure there are no air bubbles. Place the pans into preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes. Now check the cakes by inserting any wooden stick. If it's clean, then your cakes are ready. Take them out on a cooking rack and peel off the butter paper. Our cake is ready and it's super soft and spongy, very easily manageable by any beginner.